Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about a patient has mild depressive symptoms after few days of delivery which disappeared after 2 weeks of postpartum. First, this is delivery. After few days of delivery, the patient has developed depression, and after 2 weeks of postpartum, it has been decreased. Okay, what is the most likely cause? Here, this is called as postpartum blues. Postpartum blues mainly includes the transient symptoms like irritability, tearfulness, sadness of mood, decreased sleep, and appetite are seen. These are usually resolved by 10 days postpartum. Thank you, and thank you for watching.